Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will solve some exercise. So this is Python exercise set 1. So in this video we will solve two exercises. First we will print the student data on the screen. So let's do this. First we create variables with a name Alex, age 20, roll number 25, department software engineering, year 2020. So I will print this, print name of student is, then I will write a comma in the name variable. So it will print the name of student is, then it will print a name variable and it will print Alex. So you have to give comma and it automatically gives a space. It will print is colon and gives a space, then print the value of a name variable, that is Alex. So it's printing and it's also giving a space, so it's look good, and I will print name, age, roll number, and department, year. So let's print this, let's run. So it's showing the data of a student, name Alex, age 20, roll number 25, department software engineering, year 2020. So it's completed. Let's do another code 2.py. And the second exercise is that we have to create two variables and we have to swap two variables. So let's do this. First we create two variables. First value has 50 and y has value 100. So we have to swap the value of 100, value of variables. So x should become 100 and y should become 50. So let's do this. First I'll tell you that we can also copy one variable value to another variable. So if I have x equal to y, then the value of y is 100 and it will be saved to the x variable. And if I print x, then its value become 100. Okay, Now let's do this. First we will create another temporary variable, that is temp, and it will store the value of x variable. Temp has 50. Now we put the value of y to the x, so it will now x has 100 value. Now we want to put the value of x to the y. The first value of x, that is 50. Now current value has 100. So we have stored the first value of x, that is 50, and store it temporary variable. So we will write y equal to temp. So temp has 50, and 50 will be stored to the x variable, to the y variable. Y has 50. So let's print this. X y. X y. So let's take a before and after swapping value. So before x has value 50 and y has 100. Then after the swapping, the x has value 100 and y has 50. Let's add some string. Now you can clearly look at these values. Before swapping x has 50, before swapping y has 100, and after swapping x has 100, and after swapping y has 50. So we have swapped the two variables values. And there is also another way that is very simple, that we write x comma y 50 and 100. So we have created two variables in a single line. So let me print this. The x has value 50 and y has value 100. So let's run this. So it's working fine. And if you can also create multiple variables in a single line. Z. So we have created three variables and give it values. The x has 50, y has 100, and z has 150. So we will use these techniques to swap values. 50, 100, and we will do this. Z x. So x has 50 and y has 100. So the value of y will be stored to the x, and the value of x will be stored to the y. So let's print this. X y. Let's run this. So now after the sweeping we have values of x is 100 and y is 50. So this is also a way to swap the values, and you can also swap the values in this way. So this becomes a simple way to swap the values. So that's all for today. We will learn and solve more exercise in next videos.